Many people think that 5G only helps in increasing the downloading speed, but in reality 5G service can be used to revolutionize various industrial sectors. In December last year, an agreement has been done between Bharti Airtel and Tech Mahindra that Airtel will set up a 5G for enterprise service at Mahindra and Mahindra's Chakan manufacturing plant. Now the news is coming that Reliance Jio is engaged in making a similar agreement with Tesla. Jio wants to provide captive private network at Tesla's proposed manufacturing plant. Essentially, private 5G network is a network dedicated solely for firms' own use, therefore, it is closed for external communication. The main benefit of this type network is the enterprise has control over data, security and networks. Though the Tesla EV plant is yet to materialize, this will help the car manufacturer to continue smoothly with automation and industrial Internet of Things systems at its upcoming high-tech electronic vehicle manufacturing plant.